Charlie? What's that?
See, Aiden, move, please.
What's that? Come on, Charlie, open it. Well, he's got the idea.
Yeah, there, he's got it. There you go.
Come on, Charlie.
What's in there? Oh, is it good? Is it good? Open it up. Open it up. Good. Don't eat it.
There, he's trying to get it out of his mouth. Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on, keep going. Keep going.
It's a lot of work. Better be worth it.
Come on, Charlie. Get it out of there. Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on, Charlie.
What's that sound in there?
What was that?
Whoa, he's got it.
Come on.
You
Keep
got
going.
it.
Keep going.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh, he's got it. He's got it.
Good boy.
Good boy. He's got it.
After hard work of trying to get it.
That was a lot of work,
Okay,
hey?
you can remove the paper.
Good job.
He doesn't want you to take it.
Oh.
Pick up all the little pieces you're going.
Oh, he doesn't want anybody to touch it.
Mesh
Yeah.
cleans his teeth unbelievably. It's like he's brushing his teeth right now.
Yeah, so good thing I got that toy from him.
Charlie.
Charlie. What's this?
Here, give it to me.
There he goes, more.
I want to give it to him.
More?
I want to give it to him.
Charlie.
Should I make him do a trick?
Sure.
Charlie. Charlie. What's this? What's this? What's this? Come on. Come on, Charlie.
He likes that toy.
Charlie.
Charlie, what's this? What's this, Charlie? What's this? What's this?
Come.
Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on. Come on. Turn around.
Oh, does he have enough room?
Charlie. Good. Turn around. Do what you did before. Turn around. Come on. Turn around. Turn around. No, turn around. We can make something easier. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down.
There we go.
Yeah, there we go.
Give it to him.
Oh.
Good boy. See, I told you. He did
Okay.
that.
Let's start over with some gifts, Mr. Greenlight.
He's happy. Oh my goodness.
Do you know what that is?
Hmm?
You don't want to know what it is. Okay.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. No, that's fine.